How to draw the New York Jets logo. We are going to start by drawing a curved line in the middle of our page. This will be the bottom of the football in the New York Jets logo. Then from either end of that line, we are going to draw a straight line going towards the center. This is the bottom half of the football. Now we are going to draw the top half that will be the exact same, just upside down. Then inside the football on the left side where the two lines are, we are going to draw a rectangular shape attached to the two lines. Then we are going to do the same thing on the right side. Then in between those two rectangles, we are going to draw 3 more long rectangles going up and down in the middle for the laces of the football. Great job! Now we are going to draw the E of Jets. This will be above the left side of the football, and we will start by drawing a small line. From that, we are going to draw a straight line going to the left for the bottom of the E, and a small straight line going to the left from the top of that line we just drew. Then we will draw a rectangular shape above that for the middle part of the E. And another rectangular shape above that for the top part of the E. Then we are going to draw a long line on the left side connecting the top and bottom of the E. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now to the left of that, we are going to draw a J. We will start by drawing a big J for the outside outline. Then from either end of that line, we are going to draw a small straight line going towards the middle. Then we are going to draw a smaller J connecting those two lines for the inside outline of the J. Then to the right of the E, we are going to draw a T. We will start by drawing a slightly curved line above the right side of the football for the bottom of the T. Then we will draw a straight line going upwards from either side of that line. And we will draw a rectangular shape on top that does not connect in the middle of the T. Awesome job! Now to the right of that, we are going to draw the S. We are going to start by drawing one of the outlines. For this, it will be a small, tight, curved line at the top, and then it will be a wide curved line at the bottom. Awesome job! Now we are going to start where the tight curved line is and draw a straight line going to the right, and then draw a wide curved line around the top of the S and a tight curved line around the bottom with a straight line connecting to the other outline. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We're all done drawing the word Jets. Now we are going to draw the words New York above the word Jets right here. We are going to start by drawing a N above the J. Then we are going to draw an E similar to the big E that we drew before, except the bottom of the E will extend all the way and not be cut off by the football. Next we will draw a W. Awesome job! We're all done drawing the word new. Now we are going to leave a little bit of a space and then draw a Y. After that, we are going to draw a O. Then we are going to draw a R. And the last letter we draw will be a K at the very end next to the R. Great job! Now the final step will be to draw a big oval around everything we just drew. This is how to draw the New York Jets logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to see more logos, check out our logos playlist. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.